Hey everyone, today we are going to make this cute crochet mini bouquet. First we will make the 6 petal flower. For that I am using 2.5 mm crochet hook and decor cotton yarn. Start with a magic ring and secure it with a chain. Now make 6 single crochet into the magic ring. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Pull the ring tightly to close it and then do a slip stitch and fasten off. Now attach the second color yarn, chain 2 and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch. I am crocheting over the tail end so it stays secured. Now chain 2 and do a slip stitch into the same stitch. And our first petal is ready. Slip stitch into the next stitch and repeat the same pattern. Chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 2 and slip stitch into the same stitch. Repeat this pattern all around. While you continue, don't forget to save this tutorial so you can make your own bouquet later. Now all the petals are done. To close the round, slip stitch into the first stitch, chain 1 and fasten off. Our flower is ready. Now let's attach the stem wire. Secure it tightly with 2 or 3 knots so it won't come loose later. Then wrap the stem using green yarn like this. I made these flowers in blue and white, but you can totally customize the colors however you like. Now let's make the rose. For that I am using a pink yarn. Start with a magic ring and then chain 2. Now make 12 double crochet into the magic ring. This is our first double crochet, second double crochet. Repeat this all around and I'll meet you once it is done. Close the round with a slip stitch into the first double crochet. For the second round, chain 2 and do increases all around. That means 2 double crochet in one stitch. Repeat this pattern for the entire round and close with a slip stitch. For the third round, chain 2, and the pattern is 1 double crochet and 1 increase. 1 increase into the next stitch. One double crochet and 1 increase. Repeat this pattern all around and close the round with a slip stitch. And if you are enjoying this tutorial so far, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more easy crochet project like this. So for the fourth round, chain 2. Now the pattern will be 2 double crochet and 1 increase. First double crochet, second double crochet and the increase. One more double crochet into the same stitch. At the end, chain 1 and fasten off. Make sure to leave a long tail and fasten off. Now roll the circle tightly like this to form the rose. Wrap the yarn around it and stitch through the rows to secure the shape properly. It may feel a little tricky at first, but once secure, it gives such a pretty rose shape. And our rose is ready. Now let's make the sepal. Using green yarn, start with a magic ring. Chain 3, and make 15 double crochet into the ring. This is our first double crochet, second, third. Close the round with a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Now chain 5, 4, 5, and into the second stitch from the hook, make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, double crochet. Now skip 1 stitch and slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat the same pattern all around to make 5 sepals. Now attach the wire and assemble everything using glue. We are almost done now, so comment below which flower color combination you like the most. For the bouquet wrap, chain 25 using another color yarn. Into the fourth chain from the hook, make 1 double crochet. Continue with 1 double crochet into each stitch and you will get 22 double crochet in total. Now chain 2, turn the work and repeat the same pattern for 10 rows. To tie the bouquet, I chain 65 using green yarn and fasten off. Now arrange all the flowers together and wrap the bouquet like this. And our cute mini bouquet is finally ready. You can also attach a keyring and turn it into a cute keychain. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.